My name's Jeff Slayer. I'm a research instructor in the Appalachian Hardwood Center. This is our offering Wood in the Environment, an introductory class in wood science, wood products, and forestry, which is where wood products originate.
I'm Larry Osborne, research associate with the Appalachian Hardwood Center. Been involved with just about every facet of forestry and wood science, mostly wood science. Wood has always been important to humans. As I read archaeological stuff, one of the primary areas of investigation on any site is what are the wood-based remains, and try to get some sense of what was going on that site at some particular point in time. Usually that's going to show up in the form of charcoal at this point, but still it's always interesting to figure out how far back that use goes. One of my favorite examples in recent times, a body was found up in the Alps in Europe, and took people a while to figure out, oh, this is not a new body. It's been dated back almost 5,000 years, and it was just an individual working his way across the Alps. And as they look at all of his artifacts, which were perfectly preserved in the ice and snow all these centuries, there were something like 17, 18 items on his person that he's carrying with him that were either wood or tree-based, plant-based in some form. That was his backpack and his parts of his clothing, his weapons, his tools. Just about everything this individual owned was either animal-based or plant-based, and I've always found that kind of fascinating.
Yes, absolutely. The main factor that I always emphasize to people, students, is that trees regrow in human life terms. About half of the carbon dioxide produced worldwide is not produced by cars. It's actually produced in the construction process, especially of big cities where they're all steel and concrete. There is a new product, it's new to the United States anyway, generally called mass timber construction. It's an engineered wood product that allows for 10, 15, 20-story buildings. So this could be apartment houses or condos or whatever, to be built almost entirely out of wood. What wood does when it's in use like that is it stores carbon dioxide. It's not going anywhere. It is there in the wood for as long as that building is there.
We've worked with foresters out here in the forest during harvesting operations and trying to manage forests. We work with botanists from time to time. You're dealing with genetics and hybrid species, trying to improve what's growing in the forest or on a plantation. You get into chemistry and physics with things like paper and other manufactured products and adhesives, finishes, and wood moisture relations, drying and shrinkage and swelling, that's more physics. You pick just about any other science, and at some point in time we wind up interacting with them.
About 50% of world use is still used for fuel. The stuff that Larry and I have worked with over the years involves more like lumber and construction, home construction in the United States. You have engineered wood products, paper, cardboard, packaging material, pallets, most people never see yet. Most products move on pallets, which are 95% wood. Railroad ties. The beauty of wood is that it's relatively easy to work with and it's readily available in many places in the world.